In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a trip on Turo. Whether your plans have changed or you need to make adjustments, canceling a trip is easy when you know the right steps. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Turo account, open your web browser, and head over to Turo.com. If you're not already logged in, click on the login button typically found on the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email address and password, then click on the login button to access your account. In case you've forgotten your login details, don't worry. There's a forgot password link you can use to reset your password through your email. Once you're in, let's navigate to your planned trips. You'll find the trips section in your dashboard. This is where all your upcoming, past, and even pending trips are listed. Clicking on this will take you to a page that shows an overview of your trips. Look through the list to find the specific trip you want to cancel. This may take a moment if you have several trips planned, but focus on finding the one you no longer need. After selecting the trip in question, you'll see several options. Look for the cancel trip button and give it a click. Before proceeding, it's important to understand Turo's cancellation policy. Clicking cancel trip will typically lead you to a page where you can review the policy details. Pay attention to the cancellation window and any associated fees that might apply, as these can vary depending on how close you are to the trip start date. There might be a full refund if you cancel well in advance, but other times a fee might be charged or a partial amount withheld. Once you're sure about your decision, move ahead to confirm the cancellation. This involves another click to finalize your choice. Some important details should now be visible, including any refund information, if applicable. It's a good idea to review this to ensure you understand what you are responsible for financially. Finally, after confirming, check your email for a cancellation confirmation. This should arrive shortly after you've completed the process, and it will include all key details related to the cancellation. Keep this email for your records, as it acts as proof that the trip was officially canceled. And that's all there is to it. Canceling a trip on Turo is a straightforward process when you know where to go and what to do. If you have any concerns or require additional information, don't hesitate to contact Turo for support. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your Turo experience as smooth as possible.